What prompted your decision to use WashDrones, and how did you find out about WashDrones?
We had someone who is one of our congregation members here, and then mentioned that he knew about you guys, about WashDrones, and so that's how we heard about you. This one was built in 2002. That one was built, I think, and opened in 97, and then the one epicenter down there was 2014.
How often do you have to watch the building in your
We normally get it done every 2 to 3 years, is what we've been aiming at to get the buildings done. But yeah, just to keep the general maintenance and general upkeep of the buildings going. So first time with a drone, yeah. In the past we've had it done with boom lifts and with people in the boom lifts and pressure washing it that way, which is normally taking us like 3 weeks, a bit longer. You've seen the difference for sure with using the drone. It's definitely been a lot quicker, a lot more efficient than having someone driving around, and a bit less inconvenient for the overall use of the buildings too, which has been quite nice. Obviously we have a lot of stuff that goes on day to day and week to week, and so being able to sort of only section off smaller parts rather than having an entire side of a building off limits has been quite a nice change for us, and it's certainly made things quite efficient. I can definitely say Craig's been amazing at communication and at contacting and just making sure that where they're going and what they're doing isn't going to be too much of an inconvenience to everything else that's happening day to day, which has been really good. I think it's created a bit of entertainment for everyone as well coming past. People sort of stop and watching.
We've optimized the technology with a new pump.
Yep.
So this is actually one of the first jobs we're doing with the new pump.
Yeah.
I was here before they actually washed that tower.
Yep.
And I can see now the difference after just only an hour being here. Would you consider doing it again in a couple of years with us?
I think we would, yeah. I think we've been quite surprised by how well a drone can actually get in and get underneath some of those areas that you might think would be a bit more of a challenge. And the result's been good too.